watching you do this. Don't get scared by this color. I actually tried this out last night, and you know I don't have any melanin. I'm just a bear. It's not even funny. But it's such a nice pigmentation, and you don't need a lot. But I'm watching you. You're just gliding right over her face, and it just is finishing it off so pretty.
Yeah. What you do is you would put your foundation on, put a little bit of powder on the brush, and then just apply your foundation using a swirling motion all over your face.
All right.
And this will even out your skin tone. It'll blend away any imperfections. It'll give you an overall glow to your appearance. Just keep swirling.
It's so interesting to me, Lauren, because as we were looking at this, you know, I thought, have you ever wondered, can I really pare down my cosmetic pile? When I have this whole pile, what if you are on the run? What if you need to, you know, spend a day and really pare down your products? Well, this is professional quality. In fact, it's made in the USA, and this was really developed to not only meet but exceed the expectations of licensed beauty experts. Lauren, you've been doing makeup for 15 years. I mean, how are we meeting and exceeding here? I'm thinking that we've now done blush. We've seen you do the whole face. You're doing eyes.
Yeah, because then you just adjust the brush and you would put it on your cheeks for your blush. You adjust the brush again, and I love the shape here. It goes right into your crease. It gets the powder exactly where you need. But it also comes with a dual-sided sponge tip applicator.
Okay.
So with the pointy side, I would put it into my brow and define your brows, because we know that your brows define your face.
So you've gone through about 6 different cosmetic items. You're still using the same compact. This is brand new today. It's $33.12. QVC does a unique service for us. And what that is they search out products. This is professional quality. It was developed to meet licensed beauty experts. So, you know what? We may not have ever heard about this because I'm not a licensed beauty expert, but QVC has buyers that really scour the globe, and they look for products that can meet our needs. How about that, Miss Phyllis? In 30 seconds after, that was like 30, 45 seconds, and she's been done with one product that really has some great natural ingredients in it, and it's all in one.
Yeah. She looks healthy, vibrant,